Okay, for homework help tonight, I'm going to do number 7. All right. And number 7 is 12v squared minus 75. Okay, today we learned about special techniques, and one of the biggest special techniques for factoring we looked at was that difference of squares. Where if I had something of the form a squared minus b squared, that would factor into a plus b times a minus b. Okay, and in order for this to work, my terms here, my a squared and my b squared, would have to be a square of a number. So for example, like 25 is 5 squared, or 36 is 6 squared, that kind of thing. Well, if I come over here and I look at number 7, I immediately notice that 12 isn't a perfect square, and neither is 75. So what I have to look for is a GCF to see if I can do anything else with this binomial. And believe it or not, we have a GCF of 3. So if I factor out that 3, I'm left with 4v squared minus 25. And if I look at this new binomial that I've created after I factor out that 3, I'll notice that that is now a perfect square, right? 4 is a perfect square because 2 squared is 4, and 25 is a perfect square. So I know that that would factor into 2v plus 5 and 2v minus 5 if we follow that general form for our difference of squares. Okay? Now I'm not going to do a perfect square trinomial example because those you can just do using AC method or your boxes. So good luck with the rest of your assignment.